It's time to make your doll a handbag, a backpack, a clutch, whatever you'd like it to be. The beauty of these is that you can open it up and you can stash inside secrets or maybe little rocks you find or a good luck charm, whatever you like, and then put it with your doll and carry it. So what you're going to need are some scissors, and then you open up that DIY doll kit of yours, pick out a piece of felt, pop out the pattern from your activity poster for your handbag, get your needles and your thread. Go ahead and pick up your handbag pattern and take a look on the back, and it shows you how you're going to construct your bag. So you'll cut this pattern out of your felt, and then you see how it folds up, a third of it folds up. You do a stitch on either side, you'll fold the flap down, and then you can either leave it like that or add a strap. So the first thing we're going to want to do is to cut our purse pattern out of the felt. So you'll see that there. I am just going to round out a little bit here. So if it looks a little bit wobbly, it's okay. You can fix it. So now you're going to fold this up about a third of the way, and then take your needle and thread, and you are going to make a blanket stitch down this side and then down this side. If you don't know what a blanket stitch is and you haven't done it, I would suggest that you put me on pause, go ahead to our basic stitching video, learn how to do this stitch, practice it, and then come put me back on. I will be waiting for you. So if you see, you have a sweet little purse just like that. Now if you wanted to have a strap to come around, I'm going to show you how to do it. Now there are a few ways that you can attach a strap to this purse. You can do it using felt by cutting a piece of felt and attaching it. You can do it with this embroidery thread. If you have the Talking Heads doll kit, then you have a black rope or little mini white pom-poms. You can also use that as a strap. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use embroidery thread. You're going to take your needle and basically do one stitch here, and you're going to lock it as well. So one, I would call this tacking, right? You're tacking a stitch. So there we go. And then you have to decide, well, like, how long do I want this to be? How long do I want my strap to be? You're going to come around to the other side, and you are going to tack it on the other side. But at that point, you need to know, oops, how long do you want that to be? I think that looks pretty good to me. What do you guys think? Cute? I think it's cute. We'll go with that. So I'm going to do another stitch in the same place and lock it. I wonder if our model Geeta would want to try it on for us. Hi Geeta, welcome back. Please try on this new handbag that we've created. I'm going to put it over your head. And wear it kind of messenger style. I think that looks great. You look like you're all ready to go. Once you've created your purse, please send me pictures. I definitely want to see them. They will make me so happy. You can check out the rest of Dumyé's DIY doll kit clothing tutorials here, or head to dumyé.com for more inspiration.